Would you like to close 80% of all prospects that are actually walking through the door? How exciting would that be? Make sure you pay close attention to this video today and stay until the end so I can share with you how you can do that today. Hey everyone, it's Masha from Pyjama Bosses, and in today's video, I want to share one of my best realizations of how we can close up to 80% of all prospects that we actually are getting through the door of our network marketing business. Now, people say, Masha, that is not possible. How do you do that? Well, I do that by a very specific example. Now, I really believe home-based business presentations is where you can easily close people because they have a familiar environment where you can build a lot of relationship. But the trick is not just around home-based business presentations or how Miguel and I call it, the ultimate pajama parties. It is really about what you do with a prospect before they arrive to a home-based business presentation. You see, if you just invite people from the street, so to say, who you don't have a lot of relationship, or perhaps you have relationship, but they know nothing about the opportunity they're about to see, your ratios are going to be very low. I'm going to share with you the 3 steps you need to take before somebody comes into a home business presentation that will increase your odds up to 80%. And why do I know this? Over a course of 9 months a few years ago, we actually tracked all of this and actually recorded all of this and ran over 200 home-based business presentations right in our home. And we actually closed over 80% of all people that walk through our door. Now, how do we do that? The 3 steps that we do before somebody comes to a home-based business presentation are the following. First of all, we're going to make sure that the person who is inviting this person to the home-based business presentation is starting to create a relationship with them. And the second step will be that they will actually invite them to look at a video recorded tool about our company. Very much the same information we're going to later share in the home-based business presentation. The third step is that they're going to follow up with this person after they have seen the video presentation on a 3-way call and answer all their questions. So that's going to be either myself or one of my leaders in my team, making sure that they're doing 3-way calls, answering everything, and attempting to get this person started. Now, if the prospect doesn't start, this is the time you're going to invite them to a home-based business presentation. And I suggest you run at least 2 home-based business presentations per week if you're serious about creating 6 figures in the next 6 to 12 months in your business. Now, so let's repeat. It's very important that you do some pre-sorting. And you know what? You may not get so many people coming to events in that way. In fact, you could use the same concept with monthly or weekly business opportunity presentations in a hotel venue or even bigger venues. So if you actually are pre-sorting by creating relationships, inviting people to view a video, following up with a 3-way call before they get to an event and they come to an event, at that event, you got 80% chance or greater that this person is actually going to sign up. Now, is this absolute odds and it's going to happen and it's guaranteed for you? Absolutely not. These are just some of our experiences that we were able to actually get up to 80% of people started in our business after we have taken them through this process. So I hope this really helps you. This is one of the biggest things that has changed and revolutionized our business and increased and created massive momentum and duplication. Now, if you got value from this video, make sure you like it and also share it with your team. But if you do want to know a little more about this topic, especially about how to create effective home-based business presentation and also how to scale home-based business presentations to create 6- and 7-figure incomes, then I think and I invite you that the Ultimate Pyjama Party training program is going to be massively valuable to you. So in a second, as I share the link where you can check out this program, make sure you go and understand if this is for you, and I will see you on the other side.